The tastiest, high-protein, creamy Chipotle steak and potatoes. Only 530 calories, packed with flavor, so easy and perfect meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your steaks into cubes seasoned with salt, parsley, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cumin, lime juice, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then slice your potatoes into small cubes. Add salt, Italian herbs, garlic, paprika, and optional olive oil. Mix well, then oven bake or air fry for 20 minutes till golden and crispy. Next, cook your steak by medium-high heat. Then lower the heat, add more butter and parsley. Mix till coated, then set aside. Add chopped garlic and onion. Cook for 5 minutes, then add Italian herbs and chipotle paste. Give it a mix before adding evaporated milk, light cream cheese, and parmesan. Mix till smooth, then drop your crispy potatoes. Finally, your high-protein meal is all ready to serve. The tastiest, high-protein honey barbecue chicken and creamy garlic parmesan potatoes. Only 580 calories, packed with so much flavor, so easy and perfect meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken breast into cubes, seasoned with garlic powder, smoked paprika, cumin, salt, black pepper, and olive oil. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, slice your potatoes into small cubes just like this. Season them with salt, Italian herbs, smoked paprika, garlic and onion powder, grated parmesan, and optional olive oil. Give them a good mix, then oven bake or air fry for 20 minutes till beautifully golden. Now cook your chicken in light butter for 5 minutes per side till golden and crispy. Lower the heat, add a drizzle of honey, barbecue sauce, and fresh parsley. Give it a good mix till juicy and delicious, then set the chicken aside. Add blended cottage cheese and milk with Italian herbs, garlic powder, and parmesan. Stir till smooth, then drop your crispy potatoes. Mix till fully coated and indulgent. Finally, serve with the honey barbecue chicken and your delicious high-protein meal. The tastiest, high-protein, spicy grilled chicken wraps. Only 350 calories, packed with flavor, and so easy to make. Slice your chicken into strips, add fresh garlic, oregano, paprika, onion powder, chili flakes, salt, pepper, and squeeze your lemons. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, cook your chicken on 8 minutes till golden brown. For the spicy sauce, you need low-fat yogurt, sriracha, fresh garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Mix till completely smooth, then get a low-calorie tortilla wrap, add shredded lettuce, the grilled chicken, chopped onion and tomato, plus a generous amount of that spicy sauce, and that's it. You're ready